friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we'll be learning how to fold origami corn. Now before we jump into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on those notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new video every single week. Would love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make origami corn, you're going to need 2 sheets of paper. The green one I'll be using for the husk, and the yellow one I'll be using for the kernels. So let's start off with the husk. So for the husk, you're going to take your green sheet of paper, flip it around so that the green side is facing down away from you, and then we're going to fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold. And now let's align this side to that vertical center crease that we just created. So you're going to fold that diagonally and crease it in. Do the same thing on the left side. Now let's do the exact same thing at the top. So I'm going to take this top right side, fold it diagonally, align it to that same vertical crease that we made in the beginning. Do the same thing on the left side. And now let's fold the entire thing in half. Now let's open it up from the side and then fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And now I'm going to take this one on the right that's sticking out, and I'm going to move it all the way over like this. Crease that in. So that's how you make the husk. We're going to put this aside and work on the kernels. So for the kernel, you're going to take your yellow sheet of paper, flip it around so that the yellow side is facing down away from you, and then we're going to take the entire thing and fold it in half. But over here, you're just going to do a little pinch, so you don't have to fold all the way, just a pinch. Unfold, and then take the bottom tip, fold it straight up, give that a pinch, unfold. Take the top tip, fold it down, give that a pinch, unfold. And so now we're going to take the bottom tip and fold it straight up to that first pinch fold that we made earlier. And then rotate and repeat the same thing on the other side. So you're going to take the tip, bring it up to that first pinch fold and crease it in. Now let's fold the entire thing in half and unfold. Then take this right side and fold it diagonally to the vertical center crease. Do the same thing on the left side, so take this, fold it diagonally and align it to the center. Rotate, and then take this and fold it diagonally to the center like this. Do the same thing on this side. Crease that in. So now that we have the main shape of the kernel, we're going to take this corner and bring it in slightly. So the more you fold it, the skinnier your kernels are going to be, and the less you fold it, the fatter it's going to be. Do the same thing over here. Crease that in. So when you flip it around, you have this long kernel. Now you just take the kernel and stick it into the husk like this. And if you want to add some detailing, you can take a marker and draw a grid on the kernels. And your origami corn is complete. I hope you enjoyed folding that origami corn. For more crafty fun videos like this, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on those notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. If you would like to further support this channel, please consider purchasing some Hello My Crafty Friends merchandise. I have t-shirts, mugs, pillows, and all sorts of fun stuff. All of the proceeds will be used for providing crafty fun for you guys and also for seniors and children in New York City, so it would help a lot, especially with the holidays coming up in the next few months. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!